Hello students, after watching today's video you will be able to understand color code for carbon resistors and you will learn how to calculate the value of a resistance by using color code, then concept of electric energy and electric power. So let us start first topic, that is color code for carbon resistors. In order to understand the concept of color code for carbon resistor, the resistance are used in electrical and electronic circuits may vary over wide range. To indicate the resistance value and its percentage reliability, a color code is used. For example, resistance are represented as, this is cylindrical resistor having bands of different color on it. First band is represented suppose by green color. Second band is represented by suppose blue color. And these bands are in the form of rings as shown. For example, first is green, second is suppose red, second color is red, third color is suppose violet, and last is suppose silver. And these rings are denoted by suppose A, B, C and D. Now how we can find the value of a resistance? First two rings from the end gives the first two significant figures of the resistance in ohm. Means this A and B, first two rings on this resistor will give the two significant figures, that is AB. Then third ring will give or indicates the decimal multiplier, that is into 10 raised to power. And fourth ring, last ring, indicates the tolerance in percent about the indicated value, that is plus minus suppose D%, and this will give the total resistance. In order to understand how to calculate the resistance, we have to study this table. In this table there are different colors and we have to learn these colors in the same serial order and corresponding their values. For example, black color correspond to value 0, brown color correspond to value 1, red correspond to 2, orange 3 and so on. White color correspond to 0, 9. Then tolerance has two colors. If fourth band is golden in color, then tolerance will be 5%. If fourth band is silver in color, then tolerance will be 10%. If fourth band is not shown on the ring, means there is no color of fourth band, then tolerance will be 20%. For example, consider this is a resistance having 4 color band on a cylindrical resistor. First is suppose brown, second is violet, third is black and fourth is golden. Now this brown color correspond to a number 1. So first digit is 1. Then violet color correspond to value 7, second band, and this will give the two significant figures. Then third band color will give the decimal multiplier, and this color is black color, and black color correspond to 0, means into 10 raised to power 0. And last color is golden, and golden color correspond to tolerance of plus minus 5%. So value of the resistance will be 17 plus minus 5% ohm. Consider one more example. There are four bands. First is green, second is red, third is blue, and last is silver. Now green color correspond to the value 5, red correspond to the value 2, blue correspond to value 6, so 10 is to power 6, and silver correspond to tolerance of 10%. So this will give the value of the resistance. But how we can learn this table in serial order? We have a line, and in this line capital letter represent the color. For example, BB. B means black and B means brown. R means red, O means orange, Y means yellow, G means green, B means blue, V means violet, G for grey and white. So you have to learn this line, that is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife, and these capital letter correspond to the color and corresponding values, and you have to put the value starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write this line and write the letter capital which is written in capital, and write the numbers from starting from 0 to 9 on those capital letters. Then now you can find the value corresponding to different colors. For example, if color is blue, then value is 6. If color is violet, V for violet, then corresponding value will be 7. Color is gray, corresponding value will be 8. If color is white, corresponding value will be 9. In this way we can find the resistance of carbon resistor by using color code. Now consider one more question. How will you represent a resistance of 3600 ohm plus minus 10% by color code? Here the value is given and we have to find the corresponding colors of the bands. Now we can write it as 3700 ohm plus minus 10%, or it is equal to, resistance is equal to this, and this is equal to 37 10 is to power 2 plus minus 10%. Now 3 correspond to which color? From here 3 correspond to orange color, 7 correspond to violet color, 10 is to power 2 correspond to red color. So the bands having color, first color will be orange corresponding to 3, second color will be violet, third color will be red corresponding to this 2, and plus minus 10% corresponds to, plus minus 10% correspond to silver color. So last is silver color. In this way we can find the color bands from the value. And next one more example. Resistance is equal to 1.7 10 is to power 2 or 100 plus minus 5%. We have to find the color of bands. Now this decimal, we have to remove this decimal and we will write it as 17 into 10 plus minus 5%. Now 1 correspond to which color? 7 correspond to which color? 10 is to power 1 correspond to which color? And 5% correspond to which color? We can find by using this line. 1 correspond to brown, 7 correspond to again 1 correspond to brown, second 7 correspond to violet, and 10 is to power 1 is there, 1 again brown, and last color is last up 5% correspond to golden color. So sequence of the color will be brown, violet, brown, and gold. In this way we can find the color of the bands. So 1 correspond to this, 1 correspond to brown color, 7 correspond to violet color, 10 is to power 1 again 1, this one correspond to brown color, and 5% correspond to gold color. So these are the color of 4 bands. Next topic is electric power. Electric power is the rate at which work is done by an electric current. And electric power is the product of voltage and the current, or we can rearrange this by using Ohm's law, because we know that V is equal to IR. From here we can put the value of V in this equation, we will get this formula, and by putting the value of I, that is V upon R, in this equation we will get this formula. So in this way we can find the power by using different formulae. Next is unit of power. Unit of power is watt, and other unit kilowatt, horsepower. 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 is to power 3 watt, and 1 horsepower is equal to 346 watt. Next is electric energy. Electric energy is the total work done by an electric current in a given time, and its formula will be energy is equal to voltage into current into time, and again we are using here V is equal to IR. We can rearrange the terms and we will get different formula depending upon the value VIT. Now if we put the value of V here from this equation, we will get this formula, and if we eliminate the again current I is equal to V by R, then we will get this formula. So these are the formulas used to find the electric energy. And unit of electric energy is joule, but commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hours or board of trade unit. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 is to power 6 joule. Next numerical related to electric energy and electric power. Electric power, the maximum power rating of 30 ohm resistor is 2 kilowatt. Would you connect the resistor of 30 ohm across a 300 volt DC source of negligible internal resistance? No. Maximum power rating of a resistor indicates that a given resistor of 30 ohm can handle power more than this rating. That is, maximum power rating of 30 ohm resistor is equal to 2 kilowatt. Now power handled by resistor, power to be handled by resistance is equal to V square by R. Here P is equal to V is 300 volt divided by resistance is 30 ohm, then power will be 3000 watt, which is equal to 3 kilowatt. As the maximum power rating is 2 kilowatt, but here answer is 3 kilowatt, so it should not be connected directly to 300 volt DC supply, otherwise it will be damaged or burnt out. Next question. An electric motor operating on a 50 volt DC supply draw a current of 12 ampere. If the efficiency of the motor is 30%, estimate the resistance of the binding of the motor. We have to find the resistance of binding of the motor, because given is efficiency of electric motor is 30%. Therefore, power dissipation as a heat or power lost in the form of heat will be equal to 70% of Vi. Here in this question, V is given, that is equal to 50 volt. Current is given, that is equal to 12 ampere. Therefore, power dissipation in the form of heat will be equal to 70%, means 70 upon 100 into Vi, that is V is 50 and I is 12. So power lost in the form of heat will be equal to, after solving we get 420 watt. Now actual power dissipated as heat, that is P is equal to I square into R. From here P we already calculated, I is given, and we have to find the value of R, that is equal to P divided by I square. Power is 420 and current is 12 ampere, and after solving we will get resistance is equal to 2.9 ohm. Next is, at the end of this video we will recapitulate the lesson with the help of a table. In this table, formulas are given for different quantities. For example, we have to find the power, then power, in order to find the power we can use formula V square by R, then I square into R, then V into I. These formulas are to find the value of power. Then next is current, that is current in ampere. We can use the formula to find the current, that is V by R. Second is P by V in terms of power. Third is P divided by R under root, power divided by resistance. Then next is, that is resistance. In order to find the resistance we can use the formulas, that is V by I according to Ohm's law. In terms of power, that is V square by P. In terms of current and power, P by I square. These are for resistance. And last is for voltage. V voltage will be equal to under root of PR P by I in terms of power and current, in terms of IR. These are the formulas to use to find power, current, resistance and voltage. That's all for today's video. Thank you.